One recommendation is to make sure that your resume is ATS readable. If you're not sure what is ATS readable or how to check it, you can quickly watch the intro video for this series. Also consider running a grammar check on the PDF. Found few grammatical errors. You can probably remove your 12th and 10th class scores. Usually no one cares about these scores, but if the scores are low, that might create an unnecessary negative impact. Please increase the font of the personal project section. Some sentences in the project section are a little vague or incomplete. For instance, one project is about implementing a user interface, but there is no concrete detail about the interface that will help me understand your contribution to the project or analyze your skills. Collaborated with team members to ensure project quality is also a vague or incomplete sentence. Also make sure to highlight the keywords. Now, if possible, create a GitHub repo for the project with a good README file and attach the link to the repo in the resume. Work experience is a little irrelevant to the position you want to apply for. Try to add some relevant experiences if possible. Certificates is a separate header, so remove NPTEL certificate from achievements and add it to the certification section. Also, generally these platforms provide digital certificates, so if possible, attach the certificate link with the achievements. I think that's all from my side. Thank you.